The finest beverage breakthrough from the Aperature Alcohol Research Labs. 2 drinks, 1 thematic double. Drink them in the name of science, you monster. 6 ingredients total, 3 per portal. Blue curacao, vodka, and lemonade for the blue. Cointreau, rum, and orangina for the orange. For the blue portal, pour half an ounce of blue curacao and half an ounce of vodka into a small tumbler, then top it off with lemonade. Bull's Blue is the iconic cobalt curacao. Any clean vodka will do. For the orange portal, pour half an ounce of Cointreau and half an ounce of rum into a second tumbler, then top it with orangina. Cointreau is non-negotiable. Nothing else hits quite the same. If you want to go full Aperature, rim each tumbler with colored sugar before pouring. Serve the 2 drinks side by side, and mix them together if you dare. They say it tastes very orangey. This was a triumph. I'm making a note here. Huge success. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.